Welcome. Now in this tutorial we are going to see two things. One is to scale the images to our project settings and a bit of animation. Now if we look at this grass field, then if we look here, the image is 3256 by 2442, which is way too bigger than our project settings. Our project settings can be accessed through preferences and frame format. You can see here it is 1920 by 1080 with 30 frames per second. Now if we add a merge to it, and if we plug in the BG to the BG and the FG of this deer to FG and preview it, you can see it here that we get this kind of output. But as you can see, this is not HD. This is way too bigger. So one thing I need to do, I need to scale this image to fit in the HD. So what I need to do is I need to add one tool, which will be right click, add tool, transform and resize. Resize is a node which resizes this image. Now if I drag it here, it won't get attached, so I need to hold down shift and then drag it on the connection. Now you can see that automatically the image got fit with the project setting. Here if I click this, I can adjust the width and the height of the image. Now if I click on the keep aspect ratio, it will keep the aspect ratio of the image and then it will scale down. But here in this case I need an aspect ratio of 16:9 as 1920 by 1080. So this is how you will be scaling the image to fit. Now I want to move the deer down, so I will select this and press the XF button where I could move the deer down a bit. I want to add one more element to it. I will say load, and this time I'm gonna add a plane. Now this plane, to plug it in the merge, I need to add one more merge, and this time everything will be my BG, whereas the plane will be my FG. I will preview it in the next window, that is 2 viewer, second number viewer. I will select the image, go into import and say post multiply by alpha, where the alpha will be chopped off. I will add an XF to it and scale down, rotate it, scale down more, and I will say here 20. Yeah, that looks fine. Maybe 0.2. Yeah, this looks fine. Now I need to animate this. So what am I going to do is I'm going to select my transform and go in the frame number 0, and I will just bring it back here. Maybe I will just, yeah, this is the position where I want the aeroplane to be on the 0 frame. So from where to key it, I will just say here right click and say animate. So after I do this, this gets locked. I'll move to frame 200 and I will just drag the plane across the screen, and if I drag it, you can see it automatically keys the next keyframe. When you just hover it, scrub it, you can see actually the plane is moving. To boost the performance on your Fusion, always disable one viewer so that the output will be very interactive. So this is how you would animate things in Fusion.